Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Peppermint in PVZ2. This fiery power mint is a fantastic addition to your arsenal, especially when you need to clear the lawn quickly. It offers a powerful instant effect and then continues to support your fire plants, making them even more formidable against incoming zombie hordes. Understanding its unique mechanics is key to maximizing its potential in any battle. Peppermint's primary strength lies in its immediate impact. When you place it, a huge wave of flame sweeps across the entire lawn, damaging all zombies in its path. This instant effect can clear out large groups or weaken tougher foes. After this initial burst, Peppermint stays on the field for several seconds, continuously empowering your fire-based plants, increasing their attack strength and effectiveness. For optimal results, deploy Peppermint when the lawn is swarming with zombies, allowing its instant flame burst to hit as many targets as possible. Positioning it strategically near your fire pea shooters, torchwoods, or pyre vines will maximize the ongoing damage boost. Consider using it to clear initial threats or to break through a particularly tough zombie wave, turning the tide of battle in your favor. Peppermint truly shines when combined with other fire plants. For example, placing it with torchwood makes your pea shooter's projectiles even more devastating. It also has the handy ability to instantly defrost any frozen fire plants, getting them back into action. Remember, you can use plant food on Peppermint seed packet to instantly refresh its cooldown, allowing you to unleash its powerful board clearing effect multiple times in a single level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.